During pregnancy, every bite you eat builds your baby's brain, and today, I'm sharing a full-day meal plan with 6 powerful food recipes that support brain development and help nourish an intelligent, healthy baby. These recipes are simple, safe, and made with ingredients that are easily available at home. From breakfast to dinner, every dish in this video has been chosen with just one purpose: to give your baby the right nutrition at the right time. These foods are rich in iron, folate, calcium, omega-3, antioxidants, and natural energy, the nutrients that form your baby's memory, focus, and overall brain growth. No fancy ingredients, no complicated cooking, just wholesome, everyday meals that keep you healthy and help your baby grow smarter, stronger, and more stable emotionally. So let's begin this beautiful journey, one meal at a time, and give your baby the gift of healthy brain development right from your kitchen. Every healthy pregnancy day should start with something nourishing, something that feeds both you and your baby's growing brain. Today, we're beginning our morning with a simple yet powerful cherry banana smoothie, a drink that not only keeps you energized, but also supports your baby's memory and brain development. 1 ripe banana, just a handful of cherries, a little yogurt or milk of your choice, and blend. In less than a minute, you have a glass full of vitamins, fiber, and natural sweetness. This smoothie keeps morning sickness away, keeps your mood stable, and supports healthy weight gain. It's gentle on your stomach but powerful for your baby's development. And the best part? Cherries improve melatonin levels, helping both you and your baby sleep better. Better sleep means better brain growth. So whether you're in your first trimester or third, this one drink can give you a calm, energetic start to your day. Now let's make a simple and nourishing breakfast bowl that will give you steady energy throughout the day. During pregnancy, you often don't feel like eating too much, and that's why this bowl is perfect. It's light, cooling, and still gives your body all the essential nutrition it needs. So let's get started. First, take 1 medium sweet potato, peel it and cut into long wedges. Heat just a tiny bit of oil in a pan and cook the wedges on medium flame till they're soft inside. Sprinkle some salt, black pepper, and if you have it, a little desiccated coconut for that yummy crunch and natural sweetness. Now let's make a quick dressing. Finely chop 1 small red or regular onion. Add half a jalapeno, finely chopped. Don't worry, a small amount is safe and helps boost metabolism. 1 garlic clove. Salt and pepper. 2 tablespoons maple syrup and 1 tablespoon olive oil. And a handful of fresh coriander. Mix it well and set it aside. For the creamy base, we're using 1 bowl of hung curd or Greek yogurt. Add a dash of black pepper and salt to taste, and mix it all up. Time to assemble. Spread that creamy hung curd onto a plate. It's going to be the perfect base for our fresh, vibrant toppings. It's high in protein, helping you feel fuller for longer. Take 1 cucumber, cut it in half, and grate it into thin slices. Layer these cool, crisp slices over the hung curd. Now, top it off with those soft, sweet potato wedges we cooked earlier. Finally, Drizzle the dressing all over. Your bowl is ready. Sweet potato is loaded with vitamin A, great for baby's eyes and immunity. Yogurt gives protein plus calcium, strong bones for you and baby. Cucumber plus yogurt keeps you hydrated and reduces swelling. The fiber from everything keeps constipation away. You all know that struggle, right? So whenever you're craving something light, fresh, and actually tasty, make this bowl. It fills you up without making you feel heavy, and baby gets all the good nutrients too. Let's make today's lunch bowl a super colorful, fresh, and seriously nutritious salad. It's light on the tummy, loaded with natural vitamins, and gives you that perfect steady energy to sail through the rest of the day. Let's start with some purple cabbage. Just look at that gorgeous color. Chop it nice and fine. It's not just pretty, it's packed with antioxidants that help keep inflammation and swelling down, super helpful during pregnancy. And guess what? It actually has more vitamin C than an orange, perfect for baby's growing immunity and for keeping your skin glowing and your body strong. Now let's chop one yellow bell pepper. It's so sweet, juicy, and crunchy, like a little burst of sunshine. Slice it however you like. This golden beauty is loaded with vitamin C, which is wonderful for your skin, keeps your energy steady, and most importantly supports your baby's developing eyes and immune system. Now let's chop some green bell pepper. It's crisp, fresh, and adds that perfect mild crunch to the salad. The flavor is light, but it brings a nice balance to all the other colorful veggies. Next, chop a fresh green cucumber. It's gentle on digestion and packed with fiber, making it ideal for days when you want something light but nourishing. Now let's add some boiled beetroot slices. This gorgeous deep red beauty. It's full of natural folate and iron that help make healthy blood for you and baby. Plus, it keeps your energy up without any heaviness. Mangoes are a nutrient-rich fruit, safe for consumption in the first trimester, with folate and fiber supporting fetal development and maternal well-being. Chickpeas are a healthy food to eat during pregnancy because they are high in nutrients like protein, iron, fiber, and folate. These nutrients are important for the health of the mother and baby. Let's make healthy dressing. Start with half a cup of unsweetened peanut butter. Peanut butter is a nutrient-dense food that offers several advantages for both the mother and the developing baby. Add grated garlic for flavor, a pinch of chili flakes, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a splash of maple syrup for natural sweetness. Finish with lemon juice and a little salt. Mix it until smooth. Now, pour the dressing all over and give everything a good toss. Sprinkle some crushed roasted peanuts on top for that perfect crunch and lots of fresh cilantro for a bright, herby finish. This bowl is honestly a pregnancy lifesaver. Baby gets protein, iron, folate, vitamin A and C, everything needed for healthy growth, while you get steady energy and amazing taste. And the best part, you feel so light and fresh after eating it. Zero bloating, zero heaviness. So whenever you're not in the mood for lunch, just make this tummy happy, baby happy, and you'll feel like a rock star. In the afternoon, your body needs a clean boost of energy. So let's make a fresh tomato carrot juice that's gentle, nourishing, and perfect for mom and baby. Carrots are great for both mom and baby. They support eye development and give natural energy without feeling heavy. Tomatoes keep the body hydrated and are rich in antioxidants that support baby's healthy growth and help mom reduce acidity and bloating. Lemon adds vitamin C, which boosts iron absorption and keeps the digestion smooth. Add everything to a blender with some water and blend it well. This juice is suitable in all 3 trimesters, first, second, and third. It supports energy, hydration, and digestion at every stage. Strain the juice to get a smooth, refreshing drink. This homemade juice is gentle on the stomach, keeps you hydrated, and gives natural vitamins without any preservatives. Always prefer fresh homemade juice, and try to avoid store-bought ones during pregnancy. Let's make a light, calming dinner bowl something warm, cozy, and gentle on digestion. This sweet potato feta rice bowl keeps your energy steady and helps your body unwind for a peaceful, deep sleep. Let's start by slicing 1 sweet potato into even round slices. Sweet potatoes cook evenly this way, and they turn beautifully soft and caramelized on the edges. Heat a little oil in a pan and place the slices. Cook them slowly on both sides until they become soft, golden, and slightly crisp around the corners. Sweet potatoes give natural energy, support iron levels, and keep digestion calm. A beautiful ingredient to end your day with. In another pan, add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute it on medium heat until it turns soft, light golden, and translucent. Now add sliced jalapenos and a few thin slices of garlic. Let everything cook together for a minute. The aroma becomes so warm and inviting. Here I have 1 cup of rice that has been soaked. Add into a pan and saute the rice for 3 to 4 minutes. This step adds flavor and keeps the grains beautifully separate. Season with a little salt and red pepper, and mix well. Now pour in 2 cups of vegetable stock. Let the rice cook on low-medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes, until it's halfway cooked. Now it's time for the ingredient that makes this bowl creamy and so comforting: sweet potato puree. Add the puree to the rice and mix gently. I always recommend using fresh homemade sweet potato puree instead of canned. Homemade puree is naturally creamy and has a clean, delicious flavor. Canned versions usually have added flavors, and the texture isn't as fresh or smooth. Cook again until the rice absorbs all that sweetness and becomes soft, creamy, and perfectly cooked. Once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat and add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This tiny splash brightens the whole dish and balances the sweetness beautifully. Top it with crumbled feta cheese. Feta adds creaminess, a little tang, and gives the bowl a lovely, satisfying finish. And that's it. Our sweet potato feta rice bowl is ready, warm, nourishing, and so easy on the stomach. This bowl supports steady iron levels, keeps evening digestion calm, and the natural carbs help your body relax for a deeper sleep. It's gentle, balanced, and a wonderful option for both mom and baby. Serve warm and enjoy this peaceful, comforting dinner. Let's make a healthy late-night snack for those cravings that always show up after dinner, especially during this phase. Your body asks for extra nourishment, and these homemade nut cookies are perfect. They're crunchy, wholesome, and packed with good fats, minerals, and protein. Great for mom's energy and wonderful for baby's development. First, we'll prepare a light sugar syrup. In a pan, add 60 ml water and ½ cup brown sugar. Keep the heat on high, and let it boil for 1 minute. Once it starts bubbling, add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes until it slightly thickens. Now add unsalted butter, and cook for another minute until everything melts together. If you're using salted butter, just skip the salt. Your syrup is ready. Turn off the heat and set it aside. For these cookies, we need a generous mix of dry fruits. I'm using walnuts, almonds, cashews, cranberries, peanuts, and white sesame seeds. Roughly chop all the nuts. Keep them big so every cookie has that amazing crunch. These aren't just tasty cookies, they're actually nutrient-dense and immunity-supporting. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats and protein, which support the baby's brain development. Walnuts and almonds help maintain steady energy levels for mom. Sesame seeds and peanuts add calcium, iron, zinc, and folate, which are important for strong bones and immunity. A simple snack with powerful nourishment. Now take the warm sugar syrup we prepared and pour it over the chopped nuts. Mix well so every nut is nicely coated. It will become sticky and perfectly ready for shaping. Preheat the oven to 350° Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Fill the mixture into cookie molds and arrange them on a baking tray. Bake the cookies at 350° Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Until they turn golden and set. And that's it. Your healthy homemade nut cookies are ready. These homemade nut cookies are one of the best late-night snacks you can choose when you crave something crunchy or sweet at night. Just have 1 or 2 of these instead of store-bought sugary snacks. They keep mom energized, provide steady nutrition, and support the baby's growth beautifully. A clean, homemade, nourishing treat, perfect for those late-night cravings. If you enjoyed these 6 baby development recipes and found them helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and it helps me bring more healthy, nourishing recipes for you and your little one.